Alright, here we go. This fish is huge.
Whoa!
An awesome meal for Myrtle. Darn it. Oh, got one of them right
So
away.
the big fish ate the little fish, then the big fish threw up the little fish when we got him in the net. Myrtle's had a little appetizer. Maybe he'll be ready for round 2. Myrtle, do you know you have a friend in there with you?
Get him. Get him. Let's scoot him over towards him. Look at that. Look at that
Yummy.
tasty encore.
Yummy.
Fish is not having it. He's
Did you
like,
say
"Oh,
tasty
I'm back."
encore?
Yeah.
Tasty encore. Oh, wait.
Get him. This is going to be so... That was such a big fish, right?
The stare down.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Ew, there's blood everywhere. Oh my gosh.
So, Myrtle's got some awesome adaptations with a sharp beak and awesome claws.
QKP singing Circle of Life.
What do you think about that fish? You done eating our little fish? Good.